Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying a beauty trick that I saw on YouTube. It's shaving your face. I don't really know what it'll do. It seems like a dermaplaning, derma something, like removing the excess skin. Never done it before. My friend recommended it to me and I kind of just watched different videos to try and see like different products that I'll need to do this video. So I got a cleanser, a toner, aloe vera, and a shaver. So I'm gonna first start out with cleansing my face. It's the cleanser I'm gonna use. I'm gonna rinse my face first. Face all nice and wet. My face is wet and prepped to be cleansed. I'm gonna use this. Nice dollop. And now I'm gonna rinse my face off. And dry. Now that I've dried my face, I'm gonna go in with my toner. Take a cotton balls, and just wipe off everything, every crevice. Oh. Okay. Now that I have cleansed everything off, I'm going to steam my face. I don't have a steamer, so I just like boiled water. So now I'm just gonna, okay. I feel like my face is, okay, so I feel like my face is steamed enough. It's like really clammy. Here's shavers and the product I got. No idea. Oh, that's so weird. Oh my god, I'm scared of like cutting myself. Okay, so good. Oh. Ew. It's like cutting me. Oh my god, is that dirt? Ew. 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 Did I cut myself? Oh my god. I'm bleeding. Oh my god, I'm bleeding. Like, no. Oh. Oh my god. I cut myself like 3 times. Ow. Ew, this is so gross. Oh my god. I don't think I want to keep doing this. You. I don't understand. Okay. So, I mean, this is I don't even know how long this video was, but obviously my whole left side is bleeding. I don't know if I should have pulled my face more. Lost for words. I couldn't even tell you if my face feels smoother, softer, because I'm bleeding everywhere. Okay, so that was the video. Very short. I nicked my face multiple times, so yeah, that was a beauty hack that did not work for me. So stay tuned for next time. Bye, y'all.